Welcome back to the channel. You're watching XKGLOW, and we got the paint booth taken down. Big mistake. If you watched the previous vlog, links above, we made a pretend fake paint booth in the garage so I could paint my side skirt extensions. That didn't work out so well, but I got those painted. That's all that matters, and I'm pretty happy with them. The color looks pretty good on Quinn, so I'm happy with the results. I accomplished what I set out to do. But today we're gonna polish the X1 and get it cleaned up and ready for the summer season. We gotta put some heat in the garage because it is freezing in here today. It says it's 5 degrees in the garage, but outside it's minus 11, which is like minus or 25, 30 degrees Fahrenheit for all my American friends. But let's get the garage warmed up, get set up, and we'll start polishing the X1. We're just gonna take the graphics off the side first. We'll get those taken off, and then we'll continue polishing. If you just watched that time lapse, you'll see that we took the decals off the side and we debadged it. It's that simple. Bit of heat, and I just twisted them and then peeled the glue off. You can also get fishing line, put it underneath there, and then that will separate it, and then you take the glue off. However you want to do it. If you don't have a heat gun, I suggest borrowing one or buying one or renting one. It really helps. If you don't, that glue just doesn't get soft enough, and it's like hard as rock, and it's brutal to deal with. Whereas if you can get it just warm, you can even try a blow dryer on the hottest setting. That might even help get the badges off. But that's it. Let's get the car. We'll wipe down the car and we'll start polishing. Like before, let's try and get a before photo. Paint's actually not too bad at all. There's some swirl marks you can see right there, but for being only 3 years old, the paint's not in that bad of a shape. We'll also point out the taillight. This black covering and the trim between the doors. In the previous vlog, you would have seen that I said I actually started polishing the front while I was waiting for the paint to dry. So I started with that, and I started with the Guion polish that we used on Quinn, and it was doing okay, but I just didn't find it was doing a really good job on the darkness. So I tried this Sonic's Perfect Finish, that bespoke customs detailing links down below to their website and Instagram. He recommended this product and I switched to this, and for the darker colors, this Perfect Finish is absolutely incredible. It does a really good job, where the Gion stuff is, I think it's better for a lighter car. That's the thing about these products, is there's different formulas for different applications, different colors, different clear coats. It's not a science, it's find what works and roll with it. So let's get this car polished. Done and done. Taillights after, plastic molding, spoiler, window trim, and paint. Much better. Now I'm going to throw on a layer of sealant and protect the paint, because now that it's polished, it's like glass, but there's nothing protecting it. So I'm going to seal it up, make sure it keeps and stays looking glossy all season. It's going to be easier to wash, take care of, and keep this sparkling clean. Yeah, I know that it's not my favorite vehicle, but it was still worth a fair amount of money, so why not take care of it, because I'm paying for it and it's reliable, gets me around, gets me to all my appointments, to work and back, takes the kids around, and it's safe. So least I can do is protect it and keep it looking as sharp as it came from the factory. Sealant has been applied. Now we'll let it cure for 24 hours. I ended up using ceramic coating. I had it for Quinn, but because I'm not sure if I'm going to wrap it or not, I didn't want to ceramic coat it and then it would just be a nightmare to try and wrap the car. Like, it would be next to impossible. So I decided I'd use it on the X1 because it gets more of the daily dirt and grime and just overall mess from the road. So it's all coated. I'm happy with the results. I think it's gonna look a lot better. Now we got two super shiny vehicles in the garage, and we'll let it cure and then we're good. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe,